Agresor. I don't think if you guys have heard it. If you have heard it, drop me a comment below. Let me know about this. So this cocktail is based with tequila, simple syrup, freshly squeezed lime juice, and apple juice. So let's get started. So take your champagne flute, or if you don't have this glass, you can use any glass at home. Keep it aside. Take your shaker, fill it with ice. In this, you need to add 30 ml of tequila. 15 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. 15 ml of simple syrup. Give it a nice shake. Strain this in the champagne flute. And all you need is to top up with apple juice. To complete a drink, all you need is a garnish. So I'll be going with an apple and a cherry. Just put it in the glass. And that's your Agresor. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And please don't forget to drop me a comment below if you have any questions or any cocktails that you want me to do. So just drop me a comment below. And yeah, thanks for now. And cheers. Until next time.